Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Hey, Mike Foster here. Tonight I'd like to talk about friendship. Those are the opening chords for You've Got a Friend, a song that Carole King wrote and James Taylor and Carole King both recorded. But I want to talk about friendship, the importance of friendship. I have a couple of friends right now that I've known for a long, long time that are going through some health issues, and it's scary, it's sad. One of them was just driving on a vacation with family and got a brain injury. No one knows what happened, and was basically out of it for a couple of weeks, and is working on relearning everything, how to walk, how to eat, how to take care of yourself, and he's making some pretty good progress. So my prayers are daily with him, and my thoughts. My wife and I know him, and he's one of the greatest guys in the world, and he knows that we're thinking about him, and hopefully he moves forward. My other friend has got leukemia and is going through a tough struggle, and my thoughts are with him, and I hope that each day he has, that he's living it to its fullest, and all I can do is hope that he gets better, if that's possible. Now, when you've lived as long as me, and I'm not ancient, my goodness, but I've been around for 6 decades, and here in the comments, you guys can guess my age. Most people think I'm a lot younger. I guess that's good genes. I get good DNA from my mom, who's 85. But as the years have gone by, I see friends and acquaintances just pass away. I've lost these 2 friends. Put it this way, are probably 2 of my last friends that are still around. And maybe they just didn't take care of themselves. Maybe they got some bad luck. I'm an advocate of eating right, not smoking, doing everything in moderation, exercising, taking care of yourself in every way, flossing, getting enough sleep. I mean, there's so many ways that you need to do to hedge your bets. I mean, because we're all not going to get off this rock alive, but there's a lot of things we can do to ensure that we have longer lives and fulfilled lives. My dad passed away at age 57. He smoked, for 40 plus years. He had emphysema so bad that he had 10% of his lungs left, and they told him that 10 years before he died. He ignored it. And he never took care of himself. He never exercised. I mean, could he have lived another 10, 20, 30 years? I think he could have. And that's one of the motivating reasons why I do what I do. But in terms of friendship, I'm thinking about you guys. I want you to know that all the time. And if you have some friends out there that you haven't heard from for a while, pick up the phone. If they're the kind of friends that I have, you can not talk for months and months and pick up the phone. It's just like it was just yesterday. And those are the real friends out there. So, guess what? Stop talking, Mike. Let Carole King and JT tell you in their own words. You just call out my name, and wherever I am, I'll come running, see you again. Winter, spring, summer, or fall, all you got to do is call, and I'll be there, yeah. You've got a friend. You've got a friend. Ain't it good to know you've got a friend? Ain't it good to know you've got a friend? Ain't it good to know you've got a friend? Peace.
Live life 365